chameleon color change more than just camouflage. While chameleons are famously known for changing color, it's a common misconception that they do so solely to blend into their surroundings. It's certainly part of the reason, but the reality is far more complex and fascinating. Color change in chameleons primarily serves as a form of communication. They use vibrant hues to signal mood, displaying aggression towards rivals or attracting potential mates with dazzling displays. Temperature regulation also plays a role. Darker colors absorb heat on cool mornings, while lighter shades reflect sunlight during hot afternoons. The pigments within their skin, called iridophores, are arranged in layers that can be adjusted by the chameleon's nervous system to manipulate how light is reflected and perceived, creating an astonishing range of colors and patterns. For a long time, we thought chameleons changed color simply to disappear, a clever trick for blending into their surroundings and avoiding becoming lunch in their lush tropical forests or arid desert homes. It seemed straightforward. Green leaves equal green chameleon, brown bark equals brown chameleon. Scientists primarily viewed this as camouflage, a purely defensive adaptation. The prevailing understanding was that chameleons were essentially living mood rings, reflecting the colors of whatever they sat on. This explanation made perfect sense given what we could observe, and for decades it remained the accepted truth. For a long time, we thought chameleons changed color simply to blend in, an incredible camouflage trick. But scientists are discovering something far more fascinating. Their color changes aren't just about hiding, they're a sophisticated form of communication. Think of it like this: they have a visual language. Chameleons use these shifts in hue and pattern to signal everything from aggression and dominance to mating readiness and even emotional state. A vibrant display might mean back off, while subtle changes could be part of an elaborate courtship ritual. It's a much more complex system than we initially imagined, and researchers are only just beginning to decode this incredible visual dialogue. It's fascinating to realize that a chameleon's color changes aren't just about blending in. While camouflage is certainly important, their vibrant shifts are often a direct reflection of their emotions. Excitement during courtship displays can lead to bursts of brilliant greens and blues. Conversely, stress from a predator or competition with another male might trigger rapid transformations into darker browns or yellows. Essentially, they're communicating how they feel. These aren't subtle changes either. We're talking about dramatic shifts that happen incredibly quickly, often within seconds. It's truly remarkable to witness the visible manifestation of their inner state. Chameleons are masters of temperature regulation, and their color isn't just for camouflage, it's a vital tool in maintaining a comfortable body temperature. You see, the amount of heat a chameleon absorbs is directly related to its color. Darker shades, blacks, deep browns, even certain greens effectively soak up more sunlight, providing warmth when they need it most. Conversely, lighter colors reflect that energy, preventing overheating in hotter environments. This ability allows them to thrive in surprisingly diverse climates, from the scorching deserts of Madagascar to cooler, forested regions. It's an incredibly clever adaptation that demonstrates just how intricately these creatures are connected to their surroundings. Beyond just reacting to temperature and light, hormones play a surprisingly significant role in chameleon color changes, especially when it comes to courtship. Male chameleons aren't simply changing colors randomly, they're actively showcasing themselves. During mating season, males often engage in elaborate displays, flashing vibrant patterns of reds, yellows, blues, and greens to impress potential female partners. These aren't just subtle shifts, we're talking about complex designs that can resemble abstract art. The intensity and complexity of these colors are directly influenced by hormones like testosterone. A male vying for attention will often produce even more dazzling displays than his competitors. It's a visual competition where the brightest and most intricate patterns usually win over the ladies. The chameleon's incredible ability to change color isn't just about mood or temperature, it's a truly remarkable feat of biological engineering. Deep within their skin lie specialized pigment cells called iridophores. These aren't your average pigment cells, they contain tiny, precisely arranged nanocrystals. It's these crystals that are the real key to the chameleon's dynamic color palette. They act like miniature mirrors, reflecting light and creating a dazzling array of colors we see. What's truly remarkable is how chameleons achieve this stunning color change. It's not simply pigment shifting like in some animals, it's a sophisticated interplay of microscopic crystals within their skin cells, called iridophores. These crystals, arranged in layers, reflect light. The beauty lies in the fact that a chameleon's nervous system can actively adjust the spacing between these crystal layers. When the distance changes, the wavelengths of light reflected are altered, resulting in a vibrant spectrum of colors from deep blues and greens to bright yellows and oranges. This dynamic control allows for incredibly precise color manipulation, far beyond what you might expect from a reptile's skin. It's an elegant example of how biology can achieve truly breathtaking visual effects. It's a common misconception that chameleons simply blend colors like paint mixing together. That's actually quite inaccurate. What they do is far more fascinating and complex. Their skin isn't just full of pigments, it contains specialized cells called iridophores, which are arranged in layers. These layers contain nanocrystals, incredibly tiny structures. By actively adjusting the spacing between these crystals, chameleons can manipulate how light reflects off their skin, effectively creating a whole spectrum of new colors and patterns without actually changing the underlying pigment itself. Think of it like rearranging microscopic mirrors to bounce different wavelengths of light back at you. That's what allows them to display such vibrant hues. The chameleon's ability to change color is far more complex than simply blending into its surroundings. While camouflage certainly plays a role, recent research reveals it's primarily a form of communication, a vibrant language expressed through skin pigmentation. Chameleons use these shifts in hue and pattern to signal their mood, assert dominance, or even court potential mates. It's an incredibly nuanced system. A subtle change from yellow to orange might indicate aggression, while a combination of blues and blacks could signify submission. This intricate interplay between physiology, the specialized pigment cells within their skin environment, like temperature and light, and behavior provides invaluable insights into animal communication generally. We're only beginning to fully understand the depth of this visual language.